hear a whine. What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. So today we're actually going to be doing a drive around in a new friend, Andrew's 10th gen Civic Si. So he has a red one right over here, and he actually has a pretty good modifications done to it, and he is actually tuned on Hondata as well with Powermetrics Tune. I'm going to go ahead and let him explain exactly everything he's done to the car from A to Z.
So a couple of downfalls on the, so I don't know if you know what the PPG gear set is.
That's the transmissions, right?
Yeah, I have a straight cut gears.
Oh, is that what I was hearing when you were driving?
Yeah,
okay.
Yeah. So my transmission blew, bro. So.
Oh.
Yeah. Okay,
so start from the beginning. What year do you have?
I have a 2019 Civic Si.
Tell me everything you've done to your car.
Okay, so I have a PRL Cobra intake with the race map adapter. I have a PRL version 1 Catted Downpipe heat wrapped, connected to a AWE. Well, this is all one piece, so once you get the whole exhaust, it comes everything together. It has a 3-inch front pipe to a 3-inch exhaust, connecting to a touring exhaust, so it has like one big muffler.
Okay.
So I'm on PRL flex fuel kit. I have that. I'm still on OEM intercooler, OEM inlet pipe, Phereable. What other? Oh, of course the biggest mod is the PPG 1 through 4 straight cut gears.
How big of a difference is it?
Complete different car, dude. You
really
put all the power down to the ground. I feel like it feels more torquey. It makes the, I want to say little power, because this probably is pushing close to 300 horsepower. So think about it in a Honda point of view. Don't think about it in a big kart point of view, but just from a Honda point of view, that's a lot of power. Like,
yeah.
And it's a 1.5.
Yeah, that's a 1.5.
That one. So it's like a baby engine, you know?
You want to start driving around?
Hell yeah, dude.
I'm excited, man.
Let's do it. So I also have the Acuity short shifter.
Oh, okay, yeah. So I'm about to feel that too.
Yeah, with the Acuity bushings, the shifter cable bushings. I have that. What are the mods? I have a DC strut tower. So
what clutch are you running?
Oh, the clutch is an Action Stage 3 6-buck with the aluminum flywheel. Yeah. Oh, and I have a Serimoto clutch master cylinder, the replacement. Also, you know, obviously the steel line. You hear that whine?
You hear a whine.
So my third gear synchros are giving out on me, unfortunately, and I just got the transmission like 2 months ago. So sometimes it's gonna be a little hard going to
beat on your car every day?
You know what, bro? I take it to Cans a lot.
Does it owe you rent money?
Fuck it owes me everything, dude. It owes me every penny I've spent on it. Like, well, since it's still like the old synchros before my transmission blew out, I guess. I don't know if I need to like change out the fluid. Maybe I'm on fluid.
I'm sure somebody that's watching this video will give their 2 cents on it and hopefully like help you out, man. I'm trying to get in contact with him soon. Did it just pop a little bit?
Yeah, it popped
nice.
In there, yeah.
And what tune did you say you were running again?
Hondata Flash Pro Stage 2 Parametrics. So on that one, you can run any amount of flex fuel. So if you want to do E30, 35, 40, 485, it runs it, no problem.
Really?
I've driven in Vegas on 485 back. I've been 485 like since I went flex fuel, which was probably like early in the year. Not one problem.
Really?
Yeah, it feels torquey. Like on the old tires, I would spend 1 through 3.
Really?
Yeah.
What tires are you running right now?
Right now I have some like, I guess cheaper Achilles ATR Sport 2s.
Okay.
They're like 350 on shipped on eBay.
What are the specs on that?
245 4018.
18
by 8.5.
By 8.5. Yes. I'm sorry.
To 35mm offset on the wheels.
I can tell you right now, even just by riding passenger, it is a totally different car than what I have.
Yes. Ktuner, right?
I have a Ktuner on mine.
Yeah.
I have Ktuner, and it's a huge sin if you don't get a Ktuner on the 10th Gen Si for some reason.
Yeah.
And I don't know why people are so against using Hondata on the FC1, FC3 when clearly there's plenty of people using it.
Yeah, no problems, dude. Like no, not one issue at all. Reliable. except the transmission. Just think about it, I'm running full 85 with an aggressive clutch and a short shifter. The transmission is bound to like.
But that's also the thing, though. These transmissions aren't the greatest.
Yeah.
When it comes down to holding power.
Yeah.
I've heard a lot of different horror stories about it, but I mean, clearly you've already experienced it and you had to rebuild it.
Fortunately.
Yeah.
So let me. Oh, and another downfall. Since I'm on PPG, it throws off the speedometer.
Oh, really?
That's not the accurate reading. It's all thrown off. The steering wheel might not be 100% because it also throws off the steering wheel.
So you just follow the speed of traffic and hope for the best?
No. I got a little speedometer, you know.
Oh, okay.
You know, a little magnet. You know what I'm saying? It does the job.
Oh, dude, your clutch is heavy.
You think so, bro? I think it's light.
Nah, dude.
I had a G35 before this and a 95 Accord, and I had so much bad luck with my clutches giving out, except this one. I just swapped it out before it did, but I feel like it's light. I want it heavier.
Oh, you said you had the Acuity short shifter?
Yes, sir, and I have it a little bit more aggressive than I probably should have it.
Dude, this feels aggressive shifting. All right, man.
Yeah, so.
Let's
the clutch pedal release point is kind of towards the top.
Towards the top?
Yeah.
Let's see how I do, man, because oh, all right. Oh.
Yeah. Nice, smoother than me.
Oh my god. Dude, I was not used to a short shifter. I thought I had to keep shifting.
Yeah, it's like a quarter of what it should go.
Oh shoot, okay. This is a short shifter.
Yeah.
Acuity?
Of course you could adjust it, to be honest. Higher, longer throw, shorter throw, but I decided to go with.
Dude, this would throw me off every day, dude.
It's not as bad as you think.
It's not. Obviously, you'll definitely get used to the short shifter on this car, but
for sure.
Jesus, dude, it's like centimeters. It's not even inches.
I know. It's probably why my transmission, you know what I'm saying?
You have a lot of trust in your shifting then.
Yeah.
You want me to go straight or?
Yeah, you have to go straight, bro. See wherever the road takes us, man. We got all day. Oh, I do.
Look, man, this is okay. How do you like the transmission so far, though, other than your third gear?
Dude, I love the transmission. Like, put the whine to the side, you know, because that's like the big thing. But the way the car feels, like when you step on it, just feels glued to the ground. Like every single horsepower it has gets put to the ground. You know what I'm saying?
Who built it?
Shout out to Lewis XC3 at VCD. There you go.
I felt it.
Yeah.
What you're experiencing right now is your single, right?
Yeah.
That's literally what was the biggest issue in the 8th Gen Civic SI.
Wow.
It had bad synchros from factory. I know exactly what you're talking about.
Yeah, they're really, I guess they're weak.
But your clutch, though, dude, it is so like
snappy or.
Oof. It's like shorter. Like you don't step on it all the way.
Damn.
Oh my god.
Oh damn.
You've never experienced it in the passenger side?
No, dude. Like my girl drives it, but you know she drives it to a certain limit. Yeah. And it's crazy. This is OEM turbo, stock intercooler. And
dude, this thing pulls. I need to find an open road.
Yeah, we'll find one. We'll find one.
Ultimate goal with this car.
My ultimate goal.
I mean, considering you already rebuilt the transmission.
Yeah. So obviously I want to go big turbo. I'm not sure if I want to go 2860R or W2. And shout out to the homie Stockers_. He was one of the first 50 people to get the Rv6 turbo.
Really?
Yeah. So he has it at home just chilling. Doesn't know if he should, you know, what to do with it. Go big turbo or go with that route. But I had another.
Dude. That pulled.
Yeah. 1.5, dude.
I will tell you right now that you do got to be careful with that third gear.
Yeah.
I'm a little hesitant on going in through it now.
Yeah, I baby shift. I kind of let it, like, the RPMs drop and then I put it in.
Dude, this is a really nice car.
Appreciate it, man.
It's a really nice car, man. I like what you've done to it. I like how it feels.
Build the engine. I want to track the car. That's like my ultimate goal. And
I'm still not. I'm shifted a couple times. I can't get used to your second gear being that short.
Yeah, it's like right there. Oh, I forgot to mention I'm on Eibach springs too.
The Sportline or ProLine?
The ones that are for the SI that are black. Nice. So this car, like, I don't want to toot my own horn, but like they can keep up with cars that you wouldn't think it can keep up with this setup. Besides the third gear.
Oh, dude.
Oh, and the gearing is longer too. I forgot to mention that.
Oh my God, yes.
Yeah.
That was pretty good.
Yeah, dude.
Dude, I am excited for your build.
Yeah.
This car pulls really well.
Thank you.
This is giving me a good idea. I'm probably gonna exit somewhere right here.
Alright, cool.
So we can like double back. But this is really good, dude. That's a dope ass bridge.
Yeah, no,
off topic, but that's a dope ass bridge.
Yeah, it's beautiful. Go to it.
Too late. I'm not that confident in other people's cars. I'm being completely honest. But I am very excited for your build, man. I'm hoping we can like. As a matter of fact, I saw that you did a cruise yesterday. Yes. How did that go?
Oh, it was beyond expectations, dude. Shout out to the homie StockSI_. Me and him co-host the cruises. That was our third one. Start off the first two were in Malibu, and it was a great turnout. It was like 6 people, and then this time it was 21 people. The cruise was amazing, dude. Like all great energy, beautiful people, like sharing the same passion.
Very interesting ride, man.
Yeah.
I'm very excited with what you've done to the car, and just keep at it. Are you planning on getting an intercooler soon, or?
Yeah, bro, I'm lagging on it. So I'm watching out on the forums if I can get a good deal. I want the 27-1, the all black one. I just love the way it looks.
That's literally the one I want.
Yeah,
that's the one I want.
Hit us up.
That's the one I want, man. The 271 inlet piping, the 271 turbo inlet, like everything, dude.
Dude, have you ever driven a big turbo SI?
I have not.
Oh my, well.
That is the next on my bucket list if anybody's out there that wants to throw it on here. Dang, dude.
Yeah, definitely beat on my car.
He's just chilling right there. It picks up pretty good, dude. So a lot of people are always asking me why I haven't gone E85 or if I'm ever gonna go E85.
Right.
The answer is that there's only one gas station in Oxnard. Literally only one gas station. And 2, I work in LA, so I need the best fuel possible.
Right.
That's gonna be it for today's video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Andrew, do you want to say anything?
Yeah, man. So everybody, subscribe to my channel, Life with Drewski with 3 eyes at the end. I'm vegan, bro. So if you're on the verge of becoming vegan or you're interested in like a vegan lifestyle, follow my channel. I go on bike rides a lot of canyon, car meets, you know, in the Orange County area.
Link will be in the description, guys.
Yeah, so
We're going to end it today, man. I'll see you guys in another video. You guys have a good day. Peace.